this.
We are the creators, writers, showrunners of Lego Star Wars: Rebuild the Galaxy. We are so excited for all of you to be here tonight for this world premiere influencer extravaganza. This has been a dream come true project. I'm a Lego Star Wars fan for life, and to be here with all of you is, yeah, it's crazy, seeing Star Wars influencers and Lego influencers who flew in from all over the country, and yeah, it's
Darth Jar Jar and Jedi Bob sitting next to each other. It's a beautiful thing. We can bridge that gap.
This is the dream come true. And just want to quickly thank all of our friends at Lucasfilm, at Disney, at Lego, at Atomic Cartoons for making this happen. Our director, Chris Buckley, is here. Brilliant director. Yeah.
Just a little quick anecdote. In 2015, Benji and I came here to what I feel is the best theater in Los Angeles, El Capitan. And we sat right there for the screening of all of the Star Wars movies from The Phantom Menace all the way leading up to The Force Awakens. At the end of that night, after The Force Awakens,
Smelled really bad.
it smelled amazing. We stayed up all night. We saw every single one of those films, and at the end of The Force Awakens, Benji turned to me, and I was weeping, and I said, "They did it. They really did it." That was all I could say. But what I wanted to say is, we were fans right there not that long ago, and now we're up here showing you our very own Star Wars story, our very own Lego story. It's a dream we never could have imagined coming true, and only in a galaxy far, far away. So thank you so much for being here. We hope you love it, and let's rebuild the galaxy.